Hello, Phil here. I'm going to do a different kind of video today. I'm going to show off one of my favorite tools, Google Data Studio, and some of the reports that I've done for my clients in the past. Now, if you're considering working with Google Data Studio or hiring someone out, I think this video might be helpful because you can see kind of what's possible and why I think it's a cool tool. So enjoy watching, and if you need help with this stuff, you know how to reach me. Hey, Phil here. I'm going to show you a video portfolio item, Google Data Studio, just to give you a bit of context. When I was in the agency, I was the reporting guy. I spent a lot of time screenshotting and cobbling together a bunch of different data sources into one PowerPoint, and frankly, it took a lot of time. Since becoming a freelancer, I decided to work on the process of reporting, and that's allowed me to learn Google Data Studio. And I want to show you one example of how I help a client with Google Data Studio. So, put it into context, I've built 21 reports of this type for this client, and they are in a high demand local business, and they needed somebody to be their data goalkeeper, so to speak, or yeah, the guardian of their data. So I've since stepped into that role, and maybe I could help you with this. But let's talk about some of the different things in this report. So we take Google Analytics, Google Search Console, some of their paid social, some of their paid search, and I believe there's a degree of organic search as well as display advertising, all into one report. And my client likes it because she tells me, hey, it's nice to see everything in one place from the top down. I can't agree more. So, all right. So we have just this page. It's a summary page. It's got some sale metrics in there. I think that's great. We go into website traffic and talk about the different kinds of traffic that they're getting, which is awesome. Trying to tie it back on a monthly or yearly basis. Lots of charts to tell us where our best traffic's coming from. This one's going into organic a little bit because she wanted to see what the organic traffic was doing separately from the overall traffic. Moving on, we've got the paid search as far as clicks, impressions, performance over the month, which keywords are working, all that stuff. We've got paid Facebook ads. That's part of her marketing strategy, and we want to include that as well as what it's delivering on the site. Digital ad performance. Basically, these are just display ads, and she's working with another provider. The provider gives me an API. I plug the API in here, and now we have their data populated here, which helps her make decisions and also seeing success. This is just another offline marketing protocol loaded up in a spreadsheet, and I'm able to segment it out by month and help her out as far as how this offline is performing. And similarly, yeah, just another performance platform. They advertise Zillow. So that is how I help my customers with data overall. And if I can help you with this, let me know. These are the kinds of projects that I like, and hope to talk to you soon. Hey, Phil here, making a quick video on video portfolio, specifically Google Data Studio. All right, let's get started. So someone reached out to me and said, hey, I know you're good with Google Data Studio. Can you help me out, produce a new report? And I said, oh, of course. Things have been changed to protect the client, and we've got a summary page, beautifully formatted. Put all your action items here for the client that you're working on. Look at organic traffic. So I've segmented organic traffic. This is on a monthly basis. We've got a cool interactive slider that pivots the data, which is fantastic. I like looking at year to date. Looking at year to date provides a big story. If this were my SEO client, I would ask what the heck we did organically in February and January. But I think this slider is really cool and increases the usability of the Google Data Studio report from a data fetch perspective, right? AKA, don't create a bunch of data sets every month when you can toggle. This particular report does Google Analytics and Google Search Console. There will be other video portfolio items with a few more sources, but generally that's where we start. This is all traffic like to look at this as well because all traffic is unique from organic traffic. Next, we go to referral traffic so we can really see what's contributing the most. I think that is super helpful. And then times of day. Historically, people do much better as far as B2B sites or even B2C sites, typically on the weekdays. We've got site speed performance. If Google is testing, then I get that data, which is nice because if you've applied changes, you're going to see them in here. And conversions. So when we talk to the clients, we talk about the most important KPIs to their business. We create a Google Analytics goal for that. And we can even, this is goals overall, historically across the month. And going so further, a little bit further, I like being able to see what specifically you look at one goal and you're like, how many were that happened that month? What was the calendar view? One goal. So what was the, this is a sign up, right? So what was the most prolific driver of sign up? Okay, direct traffic was the most prolific sign up deliverer. And what landing page converted the most? Well, we can clearly see that the homepage contributed the most. Now, if we were going to evaluate new different landing pages, this would be a good spot to do it. So that's a video portfolio on one sample client report, and I hope they like it. I hope you liked it too. Let's talk about a few more. And that's pretty much it. That's my tour of my Google Data Studio, or at least some of the examples that I can show. So if I can help you with this type of work, you know where to find me. And yeah, if you want to see more of this stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.